Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Tuesday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We are awaiting some showers and storms to move in from the west. We will get there eventually. They're going to start, though, in our western counties, of course, and that will be pretty early this morning, about 7 to 8 a.m. Then from there, it's going to be some widely scattered showers and storms, maybe some pockets of heavy rain there and some gusty winds, but the severe threat right now not looking very impressive for us, which is good news. We'll pick up some beneficial rain without much of the damage. We'll see that initial push through this morning, and then for the midday hours and into the afternoon, more of a steady light to moderate rain, but of course some pockets of heavier downpours in spots. We'll see that continuing through the evening commute, so it will be a fairly soggy one for us through today and through this evening. And then overnight, the rain will get pushed out to the east and will be tapering off, and that will leave us with plenty of sunshine on the way for your Wednesday. As far as rain is concerned, it doesn't want to pop up here, but you can see what I'm expecting, 1 inch to about 1.25 inches across the area. Should be a nice rainfall for just about everybody out there as we go through tonight. Luckily for us, the flash flooding risk is low. I think the ground will be able to absorb a lot of the rain that does fall, but maybe some ponding in spots, especially some of these urban areas, so watch out for that. And here is the severe risk. Again, not looking very impressive. It'll be more so focused to our south, and for us, just a strong storm or two with the gusty winds, but pretty low severe risk overall. Another impact from the rain, it's actually physically pulling down some of the smoke from aloft, and that has had a big impact on air quality in north central Iowa and into Minnesota. Unhealthy air has been reported there this morning, and that may swing into eastern Iowa as the rain comes in for today. So just be aware of that. We actually could see it lingering into tomorrow with some of the low air quality and the haze, because behind the cold front, it's going to be some cooler air that is a little bit more dense and likes to sink, and again pulls down some of that smoke. I think eventually as we go through tomorrow evening, it'll begin to dissipate, and we should have some clearer, clearer air on the way for Thursday. That being said, highs today in the 70s, so kind of looks warm on paper, but temperatures basically hold steady as we go through the early afternoon, and then they actually fall off for the second half of the day as the winds will shift to the northwest and as we see all the rain. The rain will taper off tonight. We'll see our lows down to the mid-50s. And then for tomorrow, looking at highs back to the mid and upper 70s. Should be a really nice day with mostly sunny skies, but again, watch out for that air quality. Otherwise, we'll see a very light wind from the east. Here's your city-by-city forecast. Thursday looks to be dry as of right now. Seasonal temperatures there in the 70s to near 80. In fact, we're going to see temperatures staying in the same range as we go through the weekend, but a few on and off rain chances by Friday. I think Saturday ends up dry during the daytime hours, and then a little bit more rain into Sunday.